everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Creativemind Inspirations. Sorry guys, I've been MIA, but I've been going through some stuff with being me trying to get sick and get things for a wedding, then had to keep the kids for the coronavirus is coming up. I mean, just started, this pandemic is getting on my nerves, and I just had to get this swap out because I'm already late with it. So this is the swap that I was hosted by Tiffany, Tiffany Craft Like the Boss McGill here on YouTube, and her Facebook group, Coffee Cake and Crafting. It's called the Spring Cutesy Spring card kit, and we had to do something spring and cute. Now when I joined this swap, I'm thinking like, okay, I got the perfect paper for this, but then I didn't have enough of it to do what I wanted to do, so I couldn't find it anywhere, and I didn't have enough spring paper, and I couldn't find a spring paper that was, you know, appropriate for what I wanted to do. So I made my own because I had to ask Tiffany, like, I told her the same thing. She said, well, do some embossing. So that's what I did. I embossed some cards. So, and when she told me that, I said, duh. I had just watched some videos by Natasha Fruit, I think. She does cards. It was either her or Jennifer McGuire that I watched one of the videos, and they was using their embossing folders, and they used them inked up. So I'm going to show you what I did. And what we had to do is we had to make a card, and then we had to add the elements in order to make that card, to make 4 cards. And so, and it had to be Cutesy Spring. So I did a kind of a monochromatic type thing. It's only 2 colors, well 3 colors actually, white, green, and gray. So I stuck with those colors, and I think they turned out pretty cute. So I'm not going to take the cards out the package. I'm going to show you what it looks like. We had to do 2 layers and some kind of element inside the card. Tiffany's going to do a review video on all of the swaps that she got in, you know, for a group, which I'm in a group with 2 other people. That's Becky and Heather. So y'all, if y'all watch that video, y'all see the cards on the inside. And I did make a card kit for her, you know, Tiffany, this swap post. So this is what the front of the card looks like, and I just used them. I picked out 3 of my that looked springy to me, my embossing folders, and then I went through and I picked out some nice color that would, I think, would go good with. So, and this is the color I came up with. Dang it, I used one of my little small square ink pads, like a little small pad. It wasn't Tim Holtz, I forgot what it was. I got it at Walmart, I know that, but this is the color that I used, and I did these you know, made these in the house, so I just come out here to make this video real quick, so I forgot to bring that out with me. And so these are the card elements, and we had to put everything that we made this card with and decorate the matching envelope to match the card, and we had to put everything for them to make this card in the card kit. And then we also had to I'm so lost, guys. Like I said, I've been trying to get sick again, and it's just so much going on. But yeah, we had to do an all about me element, and we had to write a letter about what the other, and I picked a flower. I was gonna do the bows, but then the bow, I don't think a bow wouldn't have went well with this, and plus I didn't have the right color green to do the, I mean, it may look yellow on your screen, but this is actually like a lime green color. So I had some green ribbon, but it wasn't the lime green. It wasn't green that matches this. And plus I didn't think a bow would match. So another thing I like to do is make flowers. So I made some little flowers here. I used, oh gosh, let me see. It was some flowers that I made that I'm using to make bouquets and decorations for my wedding. And I bought these, and so I pulled off a couple of those, glued them together, and I put this little gems again that I got from Michael's. Again, those are, I didn't bring anything out. The little gems that I put those on there because we had to have a gem too, because we had to have 2 layers, 2 elements and a gem. And so my 2 elements is and a sentiment. So I found a loophole because I couldn't find a good stamp or you know, something. Again, I thought I had springy stuff and I didn't. the spring that I wanted to use, I didn't have enough of it, so it didn't match what I was going with here. So I had to go through my stamps, and I found this cute little bunny. And because it was Easter, I tried that and then put in there Too Cute. And so one of my sentiments, one of my elements and a sentiment is the loophole. So that's my sentiment. It's Too Cute, and the little this little image is one of my elements. And then my I wrap some baker's twine that's gray and white around that as another element again, and then we had the egg bling. So that is what my card looks like. Alright, so then we had to also add something that's correlated to a card, and so I just added a tape runner, so they can use that to put that card together. So I decided to add that. And we also had to add a handmade goodie. And I made these flowers. This is the first time I made these flowers. So Tiffany, bleh, I can't talk. Guys, I'm in a hurry here, so I'm sorry if I'm getting tired of talking too fast or whatever. But anyway, I made these flowers, and that I got a 2-inch scallop punch, and I made the flowers. I've seen Tiffany make these flowers, and I finally got to make some. So I made these, and I think they turned out really cute. I was going to put some things in the middle, but then once they closed up, said we wouldn't be able to sit anyway, so I didn't add anything. And then I used the same embossing folder to emboss it, attach the flowers to. They don't know it's hot glue, so you just pop them right off and use them any way they want. And we also had to include a letter. Well, it's small, so it's a bit of a note instead. And we had to put our social media name and information, and a little letter, a little information about why we chose the All About Me element on our cards. So she'll be reading that to you, and that is that. So these are how they come packaged, and I'm going to be shipping these off, and I'm going to show you how I package, because I made one for Tiffany. So I put these in first, and then this. Put my little note in there, and then the flowers. And I got these bags from Dollar Tree, and so I was going to do a box, but then like I said, I was in a hurry trying to get this done, and the box took too much time to make, because I had to figure measurements out and all that stuff. So I said, screw it, I'll just find a bag, and I found these with the silver on them. It worked perfect. It's because they matched the card. Yeah. So I'm trying to, and they kind of like pleated on the side, so I'm trying to find the pleats and fold them back up so I can get this closed. And again, I used the same embossing folder to make the bag topper. And I'm just going to staple these on and get it closed correctly. And I just made a little banner tag to put their name on it. And again, I don't know what's wrong with the staple. Every time I do this, every time I staple the first time, it doesn't staple, so I got to do it again. So this staple is acting stupid. So this is the way they come packaged. I'm going to get that flower staple, so I'm going to lift that up a little bit. And that's add another one of those flowers that I made, and a banner with their name on it, and I used the same embossing folder to make the topper. So that's how they're going to come packaged. I hope my partners and Tiffany, everyone likes my swap, and thanks guys for watching. And again, I do apologize for being MIA because I've been going through a whole lot of stuff, and I will update you on what's been going on as far as the DIY series for the wedding. And my wedding for that matter. So I am relieved. I didn't really want that to happen, but I'm relieved that it did, because now I can breathe a little better and get things done and not be in a rush about it. But anyway guys, thanks for watching. Y'all have a crafty day, and till next time, toodles. Bye.